Hi, first Empties video of 2025. My target for this year is to finish up 125 products in 12 months. That means I need to finish 10 and maybe 11 products every other month and 10 products every other month. So do stay tuned to know if I will get there or not, and let me know if you are project planning with me and what your target is, what you are emptying this month, and if you've used up any of these products. I would love to know what you think of them. Starting off, I have finished a whole perfume. It's all gone, as you can see. And this is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. I hated this with every fiber of my being. I used it up towards the end in my bathroom, which is how it finished up quite quickly. It was that nasty. And even so, I had to switch on the exhaust fan and clear the loo each time after spraying before I could go. It sort of defeats the purpose. But never mind, it stank, it reeked. I didn't like it. It absolutely reeked. Maybe it's me, maybe it wasn't my cup of tea. It wasn't my thing at all. My family hated it as well. So, yeah, something about this was very, very off for me. If you like it, I'm sorry. I don't mean to badmouth. Don't take it personally, please. I don't mean to it's not about you. I didn't like it. It didn't work for me. And the saddest part is that there was also a pocket spray, a travel spray that came along with it. And now that is being used in my loo, so that will be emptied very soon. Mini lipstick, Jane Iredale, Just Kissed Lip Plumper, very tiny mini there. And this was in my handbag for a long time before I finally finished it off. And now I have replaced it with a Charlotte Tilbury mini in glowing gem. Eye primer, Kat Von D high voltage primer, absolute favorite eye primer. This was because of that, they decided to discontinue the product, which is the story of my life, people. I loved this primer. I haven't met another that's quite like it. The MAC Paint Pot in a Laying Low, which is a deeper shade, or Paint Early if you want a paler shade. I'm somewhere in between. I can't find my exact match. Paint Early if you want, a brighter eyeshadow, and Laying Low if you're wearing something smoky. I use multi-chrome, so I want a deeper base so that the multi-chromal effect pops better. So Laying Low is the one that I am currently using. MAC Paint Pots come close enough to this, but not quite. They're not the exact same thing. This was the best primer ever, and it kept my eyeshadow on all day on my oily lids, despite, even if it was multi-chrome, whatever, it wouldn't budge. The shift used to pop like anything. I'm so upset that they discontinued it. Mascara, because it was the holidays, I actually used up a brown mascara, people. This is the Balm En Route Newly Paved Road Ahead Brown Mascara. It's more or less all gone. I can't really get any product out of it, which is why it is in my empties. To be honest, despite them saying that this was a brown mascara, I felt it was, a regular mascara on me. It isn't a favorite. It didn't make my eyelashes pop the way, Lancome Hypnose or Lancome Grandiose does, or, the way Essence Lash Princess Falls Lash Effect mascara does. Those mascaras are insanely good. This was a regular one. Made my peach fuzz look a little less peach fuzzy. That's all. So we'll not be repurchasing. Lottie London Wing Woman eyeliner. I had all these. I decided to finish up using all my felt tip, all my pen eyeliners, and never buy them after that. This kind, people. I'm not saying the others are better. I'm saying, those tubes, at least you can do something with them. You can rinse them out. What do you do with a felt tip product? There has to be a better way. And I'm looking for, cake, or, those watercolor type eyeliners where you have that little cake of product and you use a brush and get the product out. That's a lot more environment friendly. So I am looking into those and may not repurchase any kind of eyeliner after I'm out of my entire stash. So won't be repurchasing this either. Eyebrow product, L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert. All gone, as you can see. There's a spoolie at the other end, so I might actually keep it for the spoolie. Will I repurchase? No, because I prefer gel type eyebrow products to pencil type ones. The problem again is that these are not very environment friendly. Again, I want to see if there are those cake type products wherein you can add water and do something, or just powders, eyebrow powder. That might work if I can manage not to get eyebrow powder all over the world and myself, up my nostrils, on my knees. Which is far easier said than done, because I'm klutzy at the best of times. One foundation, or CC cream, really. The It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream. All gone. Nothing there. Will I repurchase? I prefer the oil-free version. So that's the one that I have repurchased. I am currently using, and I will be repurchasing. This was decent, but the oil-free version is even better. That's one thing. The other thing is that the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream is even better and is as cheap as chips. It costs what? 7-8 quid on yes time, and then you get to use codes, people. So I will be sticking to the Purito Cica Clearing BB Cream and not repurchase this. One lip balm, the Aloe Vanilla Lip Butter, all gone, as you can see. Yeah, that was that plastic holder thing that popped out. Smelled nice, felt alright, but nothing like Vaseline products. Won't be repurchasing going forward. Cleanser, L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Deep Purifying Cleansing Gel, free with purchase for my mother when she bought something or the other. So she promptly dumped it on me. Alright, average, nothing like my CeraVe Firming Cleanser. I prefer that, and I prefer the K-Beauty Firming Cleansers, the Korean ones. B-Plane has a stunning one that I am currently enjoying. The Face Shop has a lovely foam, so I won't be repurchasing this. It was a gift with purchase. It's not like I bought this. Toner, Etude House Soonjung pH 5.5 Relief Toner. Alright, decent. Nothing like my SK2, but what I am currently doing is using SK2, layering Huda Labo on top and spritzing with any random toner that I can find, and this is one of them. This again was a gift with purchase. It wasn't bought by me. It came, I think, as a gift with purchase from yesterday when I bought the Etude House Fixing Lip Tints back in the day. I can't be absolutely sure, but I bought about 4 lip tints, 6 I think, 3 for mum and 3 for myself. So I got this free, if I remember correctly. Decent, nothing very special, nothing like SK2s. Won't be repurchasing. Serum Isentry Bifida Ampoule. I have shown you this before. I've talked about it at length on this channel. Really, really, really nice ampoule. A bit lipidic, although it is oil-free actually. So you want to layer it above anything else, right beneath your moisturizer. Right beneath your moisturizer, people. What does it do? I feel it softens the appearance of pitted acne scars for me. Just a bit. Just a bit. It is also very hydrating, and it helps prevent acne for me. So I had a bit of breakout happening in November, December, and now it's all gone thanks to using this. Will I repurchase? Already have 2 bottles, I think, in my stash. Mask. Wonderucci Cacao Brightening Mask from the Mimi box. If anybody remembers the Mimi box, all gone, as you can see there. Still smells of chocolate. I might actually keep this until the chocolate smell is gone and then give it to my dad for his gardening thing. Really nice. Why should dad put seeds into it when it's smelling of chocolate? Let me sniff the chocolate and then he can have it. So this was a really thick pre-mixed mask, a rinse-off product. And it was very, very hydrating and a bit brightening as well. Really nice product. Will I repurchase? No. A, I don't know where to buy it from. B, Mimi box is long folded and gone. C, lots of other things to use up. D, I don't like rinse-off masks. I'm too lazy to apply them and rinse off. I just want to apply stuff and move on with life, not wait and then rinse off and so on. Invariably, I forget to rinse off for a long time, and then it becomes problematic. Mila Mossi Triple Active Anti-Wrinkle Cream Sample. I don't know whether it is going to work on wrinkles or not, but what I can tell you is what my dermatologist says. She says the mechanism for acne scar revision is the same as the anti-wrinkle mechanism. You want to produce more collagen, so that those pitted acne scars where collagen loss has taken place. Those pitted acne scars, the appearance becomes better when more collagen is produced in those areas. So similarly, she says with the wrinkles, there's collagen loss. The thing is, can you reverse either fully? Not really, but can you help? Definitely, you can certainly improve the appearance of, produce a lot more collagen, stimulate your body into producing a lot more collagen. She says, this is what my derm says. I have resumed substitution for acne scarring, so I don't know if you can see whether the pits are, I've just had one session so far, a bit less, I don't know. The next session is only in mid-February, so hopefully by about 3 or 4 sessions you'll notice a bit of difference. It's been mental. When I started acne scar revision, first COVID happened, lockdown, so that was I think 2 years of no scar revision treatment. Then I resumed scar revision, Gramps passed away, and I was really, really depressed, and I couldn't do any scar revision. I was in no shape for anything. And then I resumed scar revision, and then caught H1N1. Hopefully this time I can continue. One eye cream, people. Rexaline, Hydra Eye Zone Eye Contour Cream. This was a bit of a set from Sephora in Rome, actually. And there are a few other products in the set as well. A little toner, a little makeup remover, and so on. Those are all in my travel bag. This one I wanted to try. No, I think the Sana eye treatment, the one with soy, people, from Japanese Beauty, J-Beauty product that I buy from YesStyle, is a lot nicer. But I'm kind of nearly out of Sana, and I don't want to place another YesStyle order immediately. So maybe once I finish the Sana, I will order. So I'm trying to save the Sana. Sana actually is the only eye cream that has any kind of results on my skin, along with the Sebamed one. So Sebamed and Sana are the only eye creams where I've noticed any kind of difference. Sebamed is more hydrating and Sana is a more brightening product. Other than that, I've noticed absolutely no difference after using any eye cream whatsoever. So won't be repurchasing. Moisturizer, CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Love this to hell and back, or to the end of the world and back. This or the moisturizing cream, this for the AM because it's lighter, and the cream for the PM because that's, a lot heavier. Kind of like a sleeping pack, people. You don't want to use this in the PM because this isn't enough for me, at least. This is fully oil-free. That I don't want to use in the AM because it sits badly beneath makeup. This sits well beneath makeup. Orbe Feather Balm Weightless Styler, which I used on my ends, and this will now be going into my Nightmare Advent Calendar spoof box for use if I ever decide to do spoof videos in the future, because they are sending out so many hair products. I need to add more and more to my spoof box, so this will go there and not get recycled right now. The next product that will get recycled, it is the Re-Ray Hot Speed Manicure, again from the Mimi box back in the dark ages. This was something that you rubbed on your cuticles and they'd soften. I noticed no major difference, and I don't want to be buying or using cuticle products because they're not, it is better to just push back manually and apply moisturizer or, Vaseline or something of the sort. Just the 2 more products now. One is my favorite Faith in Nature conditioner, which I am using as co-wash instead of shampoo. This is my conditioner that I use instead of shampoo. Lots of slippage, very lightweight, hydrating, beautiful product. I have other fragrances in this, and Faith in Nature are a beautiful brand. This one is their avocado conditioner, which I absolutely loved to bits. Lastly, because I've been quite itchy, as an all-over body moisturizer, this month it has been the Eucerin Skin Calming Itch Soothing Cream, people. Nothing, not fun like Bath and Body Works or the Boom Boom Cream and so on. This is very, very functional. Itch soothing, really nice, medium richness, but quite rich compared to all of the others. Fragrance free, has oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, helps with itching. Loved it. Will I repurchase? Already have for those itchy months. So 19 products that I have finished up so far. That leaves me with 106 to use up in 11 months. I already need to finish just below 10 products each month to get to my target. How much have you used this month? I'm actually quite pleased at having used 19 products. What have you used up? Have you used any of these? Do you like any of them? Do let me know in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.